Today we are going to show you how to grow on YouTube with these easy steps. In today's digital landscape, growing on YouTube has become more crucial than ever for content creators and businesses alike. You will want to stick around till the end of this video to find out the most important key to growing your YouTube. This video will explore effective strategies to enhance your YouTube presence, from optimizing your content for search to engaging with your audience. We'll discuss the significance of building a loyal subscriber base and how it can lead to increased visibility and revenue opportunities. Whether you're a budding creator or a seasoned brand, understanding the dynamics of YouTube growth can unlock new avenues for success. Join us as we delve into actionable tips and insights that can help you navigate the ever-evolving world of YouTube and elevate your channel to new heights. To create effective content on YouTube, it's essential to identify and analyze your target audience. Start by researching the demographics and interests of your potential viewers, which can provide valuable insights into what they enjoy and seek. Utilize tools like YouTube Analytics to gather data on age, gender, and viewing habits. Engaging with your audience through comments and social media platforms can also foster a deeper connection, allowing you to understand their preferences and feedback. By actively listening to your viewers, you can tailor your content to resonate with their needs and interests. This approach not only enhances viewer satisfaction, but also encourages loyalty, ultimately driving growth for your channel. Creating quality content. Producing high-quality videos is essential for attracting and retaining viewers on YouTube. Start by investing in good equipment, as superior video and audio quality can significantly enhance the overall viewing experience. Next, plan your content with a clear structure, incorporating engaging storytelling techniques that captivate your audience from the very beginning. A well-organized video keeps viewers interested and encourages them to watch until the end. Additionally, take the time to edit your videos professionally, using editing software to polish your final product. This not only improves the visual appeal, but also helps maintain a smooth flow, making it easier for viewers to connect with your message. Quality content is key to building a loyal audience and achieving long-term success on the platform. Optimizing video titles and descriptions. To enhance your video's visibility on YouTube, it's crucial to optimize your titles and descriptions for SEO. Start by incorporating relevant keywords in your video titles, as this helps search engines understand the content and improves your chances of appearing in search results. Next, write detailed descriptions that summarize your video while including those same keywords naturally. A well-crafted description not only informs viewers about what to expect, but also boosts your video's ranking potential. Additionally, use tags wisely to improve discoverability. Select tags that accurately reflect your content and include variations of your main keywords. By optimizing these elements, you can significantly increase your video's reach and attract a larger audience to your channel. Utilizing thumbnails effectively. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for increasing click-through rates on your YouTube videos. Start by designing thumbnails that are visually appealing and relevant to your content, ensuring they accurately represent what viewers can expect. Incorporate bold text and contrasting colors to grab attention and make your thumbnail stand out in a crowded feed. This visual impact can entice potential viewers to click on your video over others. Additionally, don't hesitate to test different thumbnail designs to see which performs best. Analyzing the click-through rates of various styles can provide valuable insights into what resonates with your audience. By optimizing your thumbnails, you can significantly boost your video's visibility and attract more viewers to your channel. Engaging with your community. Building a loyal community on YouTube hinges on actively interacting with your viewers. Start by responding to comments on your videos, as this shows that you value their input and fosters a sense of connection. Additionally, engage with your audience on social media platforms to extend the conversation beyond your videos. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and suggestions, creating an open dialogue that makes them feel involved in your content creation process. Hosting live Q&A sessions is another effective way to connect with your audience in real time, allowing them to ask questions and share feedback directly. By prioritizing engagement, you can cultivate a supportive community that not only enhances viewer loyalty, but also contributes to the growth of your channel. Promoting your videos. To maximize your reach, it's essential to promote your videos beyond YouTube. Start by sharing your content on various social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to connect with a wider audience and drive traffic back to your channel. Collaborating with other YouTubers can also be a powerful strategy. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can tap into their audience and gain new subscribers. Additionally, consider utilizing email marketing to notify your subscribers about new content. Sending out regular newsletters with links to your latest videos keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to watch and share. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your video's visibility and grow your channel effectively. Analyzing performance metrics. Understanding YouTube analytics is crucial for improving your content strategy. Start by monitoring key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and engagement rates. These indicators provide valuable insights into how viewers interact with your videos and what keeps them watching. Use this data to refine your content and adjust your posting schedule, ensuring you release videos when your audience is most active. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different formats based on performance data. For instance, if shorter videos yield higher engagement, consider adapting your style accordingly. By regularly analyzing these metrics, you can make informed decisions that enhance your content, ultimately leading to increased viewer satisfaction and channel growth. Consistency is key. Establishing a consistent posting schedule is vital for retaining viewers on your YouTube channel. Start by creating a content calendar to plan your uploads in advance, which helps you stay organized and ensures a steady flow of content. Sticking to a regular posting schedule builds anticipation among your audience, making them more likely to return for new videos. Whether you choose to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, consistency helps establish your channel as a reliable source of entertainment or information. Additionally, communicate with your audience about your upload frequency so they know when to expect new content. By prioritizing consistency, you can foster viewer loyalty and encourage long-term engagement with your channel. We've explored several key strategies for effectively growing your YouTube channel. From understanding your audience and creating quality content to optimizing your titles and engaging with your community, each element plays a crucial role in your success. Remember, consistency is key, and analyzing performance metrics will help you refine your approach over time. Now, it's time to take action on these tips and implement them in your content strategy.